Hi there, Zuit Bootcamper. I'm Reynaldo Comen and you can call me Ray. And I am a career shifter. I graduated last 2016 and studied business administration, major in financial management. And I am a former Zuit Bootcamper and my batch was 305. Why did I study web development? So I studied web development because when the pandemic starts, no, last I think it was 2020, no, I needed another source of income, no, so I need to study web development because I did a lot of research. One of them is web development, no. So lalo na kasi it's especially no remote work siya, no, yung mga pwedeng maging work doon and as soon as I studied it, no, nakuha nito yung interest ko, yung pagko-code especially sa logics, no. I really don't know na gusto ko pala talaga yung logic, no. Na-discover ko lang din to no, when studying about coding. Ayan po. Nag-self-study muna talaga, ma'am. Siguro after a year, siya ako naghanap ng bootcamp kasi I feel lost na nung nalaman ko na yung mga basics. If I compare self-study and bootcamp, kapag self-study ka kasi, ang dami mong kalaban dito eh. Unang-una yung laziness and yung procrastination. Yung mamaya na lang, mga ganon. But when you're in a bootcamp naman, meron kasing clear path. Merong magtuturo sa'yo kung ano yung susunod mo pang aaralin. And then, mas kita mo yung ilaw sa dulo ng tunnel kapag ka nag-bootcamp ka. Ayan. So, I tried to apply there sa ibang bootcamp siguro 3 sila talagang pinagpilian ko. And then ang mas pinili ko si Zuwit kasi mas nakita ko yung care nila dun sa student na mas magfo-focus sila dun sa hindi lang pagtuturo eh. They will also guide you sa career path mo. Ayun po. Tsaka magagaling yung teachers, no? Ayun po. So we have a family business now which is focused on buy and sell and about industrial products, no. And after I graduated in bootcamp, no, mas marami na akong naging ideas on how do I market our products. Because right now I can build a web application which is I will be focusing in e-commerce, no. Coding helps me a lot, especially on our business kasi mas mamamarket ko na ito digitally. And my main focus na rin siguro in the future na is maging one of the best developer, no. Because I really love what I'm doing right now. I love code, no, and also I love teaching others, no, and giving them inspiration to study more about codings and show them how coding will help them to benefit them in lalo na sa financially nila kasi nga mas generous ang mga employers here in tech world. Ayun po. So when it comes to teaching ni Zuwit sa aming mga bootcampers, no, when it comes to skills and soft skills, I can say na talagang clear ang pagturo ni Zuwit. Lalo na doon sa teacher ko. He's one of the best, no. Tinuruan kami from the basics ng HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And pagdating sa back-end, yung Node.js, Express.js, and the database which is the MongoDB, and for the full stack which is yung React.js. No? So, mas pinadali kasi nung teacher ko yung pag-approach nung mga codes namin, kaya mas nag-enjoy kami lahat nun sa batch namin. Siguro pagdating sa pag-advise ko do sa mga nagse-second thought pa about kung gustong mag-join sa bootcamp, siguro assess yourself, no. Make a lot of research, no, lalo na sa mga katulad ko na career shifter nga. It takes a lot of courage to jump from one career to another, no. If you're gonna join, you need to study a lot. Hindi kasi madali. It's not gonna be easy and I can say na hindi para sa lahat ng pag-aaral ng web development because if you're really interested and want to take a leap, no, Zuwit is one of the best bootcamp here in the Philippines and they will teach you a lot, not just about the codes, no, but how to handle problems, making those big problems to smaller one. And for those who has a business na ang main focus like yung pagbebenta like mine, no, coding will help you a lot now because it can widen your market, no? Kasi lalo na ngayon, digital na ang labanan. So coding will help lalo na yung search engine optimization, no, na tinatawag ngayon. It will focus if you will focus on that, no, lalong mas makikilala yung mga products mo or yung business mo sa internet.